I'm out here at my spot, Promontory Point. You see the skyline. I'm gonna do a stock seminar for the people who don't know nothing about the stock market. This video is for you. What I tell people, invest in your job. 9 times out of 10, your job has stocks. Invest in that. I wish y'all could see this is the lakefront, the water just splashing. I tell people, go inside your kitchen, look inside your kitchen, and look at your stove. Your stove has a name on it. You can invest in that company. Look at your dishwasher. Your dishwasher has a name on it. You can invest in that company. Look at your microwave. Your microwave have a name on it. You can invest in that company. And rule number 1, do not take no stock tips from nobody. If you take stock tips from somebody, just be prepared to lose your money. McDonald's, you can invest in McDonald's. You can invest in Nike. You can invest in Burger King. Anything that's sold to the public is on that stock market. And if you want to get some good value, wait till the stock market crash. When the stock market crash, that's when you're going to be getting a lot of good deals. And invest in companies that's in the Dow Jones. When you hear them say the Dow Jones, it's a total of 65 stocks. 30 in industrial, 15 in a transportation, and I think 10 in a utility. But basically, when they talk about the Dow Jones Industrial Average, they're talking about the 30 top companies in America or either in the world. I forgot which one it was. But when you hear them talk about the Dow Jones, the Dow Industrial Average, they're only talking about 30 specific stocks. Man, that water crash. It ain't gonna come up here. And basically how I pick my stocks, if it's a company that I like or I'm interested in, I just look at its 52-week high and its 52-week low. And if the stock is near its 52-week low, to me, that's a buy. Let's just say you invest in ABC stock and the stock is going for $100 a share, and its 52-week high is 110, but its 52-week low is 65. Now, to me, that wouldn't be a good buy because it has a chance of dropping down to its 52-week low, and its 52-week high number 15 points away. So, to me, that's not a good investment. Now, let's say if you want to invest in a company that's called XYZ and it's going for $75 a share, and its 52-week low is, let's say, 40, but its 52-week high is 300. Now, to me, that's a good investment. But yeah, I try to tell all my people to get into the stock market. You have stocks that cost 1 penny, that you can buy a stock that costs 1 penny a share. Man, that skyline looks nice. And look at that water coming in. But yeah, the stock market's been good to me. I've been investing since 1991 is when I first started investing. So basically, like I said, anything that you buy publicly, 9 times out of 10 is on the stock market. And go into your bathroom, look at your toothpaste, look at your toothbrush, look at the soap, look at the tiles, look at the Comet, look at the toilet cleaner stuff, look at the mirror cleaning stuff. On the bottom, on the back of those cans and bottles, it's a company, and you can invest in that company. Because if you buy their product, 9 times out of 10, you would like their company. And you ain't the only one that likes their product. Yeah, we in Chicago. I made this here video today. It's 2021. August 21st, I believe. August 21st or August 22nd, 2021 at Promontory Point in Chicago. And here's a company, but do your research before you buy. Shaq bought 7 million shares of an alkaline water. And when I first heard about it, it was going for like $1.42 a share. And highs I seen it go up to was like $2 and something a share. And that was about like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And the ticker symbol is WTER. It's an alkaline water that Shaq is majority a shareholder. He bought 7 million shares of WTER, but do your research before you buy. And basically, I'm looking into drone companies, because drone is basically the next big thing. And I'm looking in this company called Plymouth Rock. And it's on the pink sheet, and it's going for I think 20-some cent a share, 30 cent a share. But if I buy that, I'm gonna probably buy about 3,000 or 4,000 shares and just put it up for about 5. Don't even look at it for 5 years. But yes, a lot of opportunities in that stock market. And I'm gonna give y'all a couple of lingos of the stock market. When you hear them say bear, when you hear any commentator or anybody in the stock market talk about bear, that means the stock market is going down. It's a bear market. That means the stock market is down. When you hear the word bull, that means the stock market is going up. The stock market is up. Bull means up. Bear means down. Man, this here is so beautiful. So yeah, I gave y'all a little insight on the stock market, and it don't cost nothing to open up an account. But I tell people, learn from your mistakes. Just jump in and get into it. How I got into the stock market, I was watching this movie called Wall Street by Michael Douglas. And ever since I saw that, I'm like, man, I got to get into the stock market. I got to get into the stock market. And that's what got me into the stock market. Michael Douglas, Wall Street. So yeah, I gave y'all a little insight on the stock market. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it. All right.